With a full tunnel, everything that is being transmitted by the remote user is sent to the VPN concentrator on the other side. The VPN concentrator will then decide where that data happens to go. But if the remote user wants to connect to another third-party device, such as my website at professormesser.com, with a full tunnel, it has to communicate to the VPN concentrator. The VPN concentrator will communicate to the web server, which will then be reported back to the VPN concentrator and then sent to the remote user. This means that in a full tunnel, all of the data is going across that encrypted tunnel, and that user can't break out of that tunnel to send information to another device directly. With a split tunnel, the administrator of the VPN can configure some information to go through the tunnel and other information can go outside of the tunnel. For example, a remote user can still communicate to the remote network through the VPN concentrator that's at the remote site, but if they need to communicate to a separate website, they can communicate through the split tunnel directly to that server and back to the remote user. It doesn't need to go through the full tunnel to communicate to devices that aren't on the internal corporate network.